In this video, we will cover how to install Arduino on your computer. Arduino is used to connect and communicate your computer to the board on the printer. Go to the Arduino website at arduino.cc. From there, click on Software and scroll down to download the Arduino IDE. If you're downloading for a Windows, choose one of the Windows systems. I'm downloading for a Mac, so I did that. From there, you can either contribute or just download. Once the zip file has finished downloading, open it. Allow the files to extract. And then open the Arduino program. Once you have the program open, you should see a window like this. Click on Tools in the toolbar and go to Boards. From there, you will click on Boards Manager. Click on the Arduino SAM boards and install the drivers by clicking on Install. Once this is done, close the Boards Manager window and now go to Boards and go down and click on Arduino Do or Native USB port. Next, make a note of what the port says. You should now be ready to use Arduino to connect and troubleshoot your Rebel bioprinter.